Hello builders and DIY fans. Are you tired of misreading tiny lines on a standard tape measure and making costly cutting mistakes? Today on Budget Buying, we are checking out the best digital laser tape measure to completely upgrade how you work on your projects. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Recon T1 digital laser tape measure, it becomes completely obvious that this is not your average hardware store tool. This device absolutely redefines precision and efficiency for professional contractors and weekend DIY enthusiasts alike. When you are building furniture, cutting expensive lumber, or framing a room, a single bad measurement can ruin your materials and waste your hard-earned money. That is exactly why this contractor-grade tool was designed. It brings modern digital innovation straight to your tool belt, ensuring that you can work smarter, faster, and with much more confidence on every single job. One of the most impressive aspects of the Recon T1 digital laser tape measure is its incredible self-calibrating accuracy. It delivers absolute precision beyond 1/32 of an inch. You never have to squint at tiny little dashes or guess if your measurement is perfectly lined up. This internal calibration ensures that every single measurement you take is flawlessly precise right out of the box. Furthermore, standard measuring tapes are notorious for getting bent, kinked, or snapped after heavy use. Recon solved this common problem by designing the device with fully replaceable blades. Instead of throwing away the entire expensive digital tool when the metal tape gets damaged, you simply swap in a brand new blade. This brilliant design choice dramatically extends the life of the device, making it a highly reliable and cost-effective companion on your most demanding projects. As you hold the device, a standout feature immediately catches your eye. There is a beautifully clear side-mounted e-paper display built right into the sturdy housing. E-paper technology is fantastic because it is incredibly easy to read, even in bright outdoor sunlight, and it uses very little battery power. This smart screen automatically keeps track of your previously saved measurements, allowing you to store up to 500 individual entries right on the device. You can easily view, organize, and delete your data effortlessly. You will no longer need to balance a notepad on your knee or search your pockets for a pencil just to remember a measurement. Everything is logged automatically, saving you massive amounts of time on the job. To make marking your materials even easier, this smart tape measure features an integrated green laser guide. This Class 2 safety-rated laser projects a highly visible, fine, straight green line directly from the front reference surface of the tool. Green lasers are known for being much brighter and easier to see than traditional red lasers, especially in well-lit environments. This laser line is incredibly helpful for checking alignments and making highly accurate marks on your wood or drywall without needing a separate straight-edge tool. Navigating all these amazing features is remarkably simple thanks to the intuitive quick-action menu. With a few simple button presses, you can seamlessly toggle between internal measurements for inside frames and relative measurements for complex cuts. It can even calculate and find exact center points for you instantly, eliminating the need to do tricky fractions in your head. If you are working on a project with metric plans, you can easily switch your units on the fly. You can cycle among standard inches, feet, millimeters, and centimeters to perfectly match whatever your current project requires. In today's highly connected world, the Recon T1 digital laser tape measure takes things a massive step further with its seamless wireless integration. It connects directly to the Rock JobSite app on your smartphone. This powerful application allows for the immediate wireless sharing of your detailed cut lists, custom annotations, specific markups, and complex calculations. If you are working with a crew, this keeps your entire team perfectly coordinated and keeps your projects right on track. Of course, a premium tool like this needs to survive rough working conditions. Built for serious durability, this tape measure easily withstands tough job site environments. It is rigorously drop-tested to survive accidental falls and fully water-resistant to handle sudden rain showers. It even includes a secure anchor point for a wrist strap, providing valuable extra safety when you are working up high on a ladder or tall scaffolding. To top it all off, it comes with a rugged belt clip holster that protects the device from heavy dust, nasty drops, and rough handling while keeping it easily accessible at your side. Combining brilliant digital innovation with a highly practical design, the Recon T1 digital laser tape measure delivers unmatched precision, smart organization, and incredible resilience for any modern workspace. Do not let another bad measurement ruin your expensive building materials. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today. Like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more amazing tool upgrades and smart home gadgets. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.